The peeler set comes with the Kitchencc Power Blade Peeler 6-in-1 garnishing tool and slicing bowl. The battery-operated Power Blade Peeler is the ultimate peeling machine and makes food preparation easy and fun. The micro-vibrating blades easily slice through soft and hard foods. It is easy to switch between serrated and julienne blades for multi-purpose peeling. The serrated blade is ideal for peeling soft and hard fruit. The julienne blade is perfect for julienne strips. It is also easy to remove potato eyes. To use the slicing board, simply attach the handle case. It is extremely easy to rapidly slice or julienne carrots, or form cheese or chocolate curls. The Kitchencc Power Blade Peeler includes a 6-in-1 multifunctional garnishing tool, offering the convenience of holding potatoes for rapid peeling, V-cutting tomatoes for garnishing, decorating vegetables, de-seeding, hulling strawberries, and peeling orange. And when you are finished, the Kitchencc Touch Power Blade Peeler is easy to rinse clean. Let the Kitchencc Power Blade Peeler put some fun into peeling.